next function that we are going to see is pop function, which is again one of the operations on stack. So let's try to understand the concept of how this is executed and how we are going to programmatically write it down. So very first is try to understand what is pop. We basically try to remove an element, delete an element from the stack. So a stack, as I said, would represent something like this vertically, just like an array. The maximum size of my stack is 4, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, total of 4 elements. Okay, and if there are elements inside it, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, and there are already elements inside my stack. Okay, and here now I want to delete the element. So for me to delete element, here we have our if condition. What is this if condition talking about? This if condition is talking about checking is empty. Is empty. What am I checking is empty? Is my stack empty? Why am I supposed to check this is empty condition when I'm trying to delete an element? Similar to our stack where the maximum size is 4, and here when trying to delete an element, is anyone left in that place? For removing the element, I need to check whether the stack has elements or not. So that is the condition that I check over here, that is empty. And to check this condition, it is very simple. We check that if our top is equal to -1. We already know that our top is something that helps us to understand how many elements are there or which element is the last element which was inserted. If my top is pointing to -1, I know that there are no elements in my stack. So that is the condition. Top equal to -1. Now if this condition is true, I'll just print that my stack is empty or stack underflow. False. If this condition is false, I come here in my else statement. Now here I'm trying to delete the element. Now, you just have to perform top equal to top -1. In this particular stack, my top would be pointing to the last element that is inserted. And we already know that stack follows LIFO. That is, the last element inserted is the first to come out. So the last element here is 40. So that is the element that is going to be deleted. So if I want to delete this element, I will just decrement my top. So my top would be pointing to this. And automatically, this particular element is deleted. With that, I'm also using a printf statement. Now, what is this printf statement doing? Before deleting the element, I just want to let the user know which element is deleted. So that is the reason why I've taken a printf statement before deleting the element. Okay, so I've put a printf statement and I've mentioned deleted data is %d stack of. So when I do -1, the top is decremented here and the element that it was pointing to is already removed. So that is the concept of